Umkhwanazi ozoba ufakazi wokuqala mayelana nezinsolo akazibeka kubantu abasesikhundleni esiphezulu kakhulu kubo kukhona nalowo onguminista wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu. Angiqale ngokubingelela ngikwamukelele e-channel yaMasweti Mina Production okubingelelayo Mxolisi Mfana kaDluma phansi le enkanda. Mangabe yaqala ukufika cela ukuthi wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Udaba engize ngalo njengamanje luthi kulindeleke ukuba umkhwanazi avele ngaphambi kwekomiti elijutshwe National Assembly ukuba lenze uphenyo oluseceleni olungahlangene nalolu olajutshwa umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba kuphenywe mayelana-ke nezinsolo ezabekwa ngumkhwanazi. Umkhwanazi-ke uzoba ngufakazi wokuqala uzofunga phambi kwaleli komiti ukuze izokwazi ukuthi-ke afakaze ngakho konke akakwaziyo elekelelwa nawumthetho oqine kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi uyizwele ngesikhathi wonke amalunga aleli komiti evumelana.
KP, we support it, Chairperson, in its current form. Thank you.
The DA.
Yes, we support it as amended. Thank you.
The EFF.
We support the adoption with the amendments, particularly EFF amendments. Thank you, Chair.
Honorable Mathis, we're in one meeting. We are a committee here. When we say amendments, we include the amendments that have been initiated by the EFF, the ANC, the MKP, the DA, the PA, the IFP, Action SA, and
Chair.
Everybody in this meeting, all the
Chair.
parties.
Chair,
Honorable Mathis.
the EFF moves for the adoption of the terms of reference with amendments. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No, Chair, allow the EFF to second the motion of the ANC to adopt the terms of reference. Thank you, Chair.
Honorable Sangone, I'm giving every party to speak. I want to hear if they support the adoption or not. If I hear the word adoption, Mr. Chair, I'm satisfied. The IFP.
We support the adoption of the terms of reference as amended, Chairperson.
The PA.
Chairperson, we adopt the terms of reference as amended by all parties. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you so much. Action SA.
Chairperson, Action SA supports the adoption of the terms of reference as amended. And well done to you today, Chair. You did very well.
Yeah. what do you say is very profound. You know, it does not matter how good a player is. A good player can still miss a penalty. So that's why in sports they say every player is as good as the last game. So I said it when I opened this meeting that there will be those days and those moments where we'll be at our best. And in life, we also encounter low moments. And I think today we were on top of our game across all parties, all members. Give yourself a round of applause. We did very well today. We worked as a unit. And I can tell you, if this is the spirit, how we are going to drive proceedings, we will achieve wonders. This was very excellent. It was outstanding. The work has been done very, very brilliantly. And for that, I want to thank you so much. The terms of reference for this ad hoc committee have been unanimously accepted and adopted. Can we then move in line with the resolution?